guys, welcome back to Awesome Kids. Today we're going to be drawing a girl. So the materials you will need is 2 pencils, any color pens you want. So the colors I have is pink, purple, orange, green, and light blue. And last but not least, you'll need some markers. I have these markers from Pipsqueak. They're all different sort of colors here, and we're going to be using them. So first of all, start with your pencil, and you can draw a head. But I also forgot one thing, an eraser. This is an eraser. So we're also going to be using that. So now let's just draw our head. So I just cut it in half so I don't waste paper. And anyways, I'm not going to use this. I might use this for another video, so you can go and check those out after. So first I'm just going to use this. So I'm just going to take my paper and just draw a line here between. So this is the side I'm going to draw, and this is and the other side is where I'm going to pick. So I'm going to write draw here. This is kind of taking a while. It just broke. So here I wrote draw, and then I wrote pick. So first I don't need to pick her head. I'm just going to draw a round head randomly. So just like this. So the bangs, you can use any type of bangs you want. So what I'm going to use is I'm just going to use side bangs like this. I'm going to make them a little bigger, and I'm just going to use my eraser. So that's why you'll need your eraser. But there are different type of like hairstyles you can use. You can use like straight ones, so like this, or any other type, because I don't know much type of bangs. But if you want to draw any type of bangs, you can draw any type of bangs you want, and you do not need bangs. I'm just gonna draw bangs. So here I have my bangs, and now you can pick the hair. So I'm gonna draw some hair here, and then I'm gonna pick one. So here I have my 4 hairstyles. I have this like spiky hairstyle. I have this curly hairstyle, the smooth hairstyle that's open. I have the ponytail. So what we're gonna pick is, I'm gonna pick this open here. So I'm just gonna take a pen. I'm just gonna circle it. So I'm just gonna circle it like that easily. So now what I'm just gonna do is I'm just going to draw the hair on her. So here I drawed it. It kind of looked different because I can't make exactly the same model. I just try to change it a little by making some big hair and then the small hair here. It does look nice, but now I'm just going to draw her eyes. You can draw any type of eyes you want. I'm just going to draw these type of eyes. So I'm just going to draw them. I'm just going to draw a circle inside. I think I'm going to change the eyes so don't look that good. So I'm just going to change it and going to make them. So here I drawed her. I added a few eyelashes here. And now we're just going to draw her like her lips. So I'm just going to draw a nice smiley face. Now I'm going to draw her dress, which we're also going to do the pick section. So here I have my dresses. I draw a lot of dresses. So so I draw this one. It's like something with a line, and then this is with a belt. You can make a decoration on the belt. Here I have this one. You can make decorations inside. There's so many different decorations you can make, so I didn't draw any decorations, but you can make decorations. I have this normal one, so if you want your person to be like something like that, so you can just use this. And this is a normal t-shirt, or you can make it any type of t-shirt you want. Or we can use this one. It's like a t-shirt with curled 3 curl sides and belt, and you don't have to draw a belt if you don't want to. So what we're gonna pick is this one, the curler one with 3 curls here, like that. We're gonna pick it. So I just circle it with my pencil. You don't need to circle it with a pen. I just like in a rush a little. So I circle it with pen, and I'm going to just use that. So I'm going to draw it on her. You don't have to draw a neck. Like if you want to draw a neck, you can draw a neck. So this is kind of not good. So I'm going to erase it and I'm just going to draw it. So here I draw her dress. Now let's just pick her legs. So I'm going to draw a line here. And I'm just going to draw one leg because both of the legs are going to be same. But if I have a different style for both of the legs, I can make it together. I'm just going to tell you if it's together. I'm going to make a line if it's together. Okay. So here I draw her legs. You can draw any type of other legs you want. Maybe I might not pick these or maybe I have a new one. So for now, this is underlined because it's a group together. You could make different types. That's why I'm circling it because these ones, you can add any designs to it. You can make it longer, shorter, anything like that. I didn't draw it because I don't want to waste space or anything. So, now I'm just gonna, the one I'm gonna pick, I'm gonna pick this. Yeah, I'm gonna pick this. I'm gonna just draw it. So here I draw the legs. You can draw any designs in. So what I'm just going to draw is I'm just going to draw some polka dots. 2 polka dots in it. So it might not be how you want it, but this is how I want it. So I'm just going to draw some arms now. Usual arms. Here. Like that. And just going to draw over her hair this time. So that goes there. So since I have these marks here, I'm just going to erase them. I had this pen. And okay, so now I'm just going to outline her with this pen. So very, very nicely and neatly. So here I outlined her. So since it looks kind of messy, I'm just going to take my eraser. So you just take your eraser and just erase any stain. So just, I forgot to trace her face. Remember kids, you also have to be careful tracing so you don't make any mistakes. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna erase her. So I thought this was traced, but I don't see it traced. So what I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna take it and draw something. So I can't see. I thought I outlined her, but still it doesn't look like it. I'm just gonna take my eraser. This is just a different eraser, so you don't have to worry about that. I forgot to add her shoe. Okay, there. Okay, that's it. Okay, so her eye got ruined, so I'm just gonna draw that. Kind of looks weird, but that's as long as I'm gonna draw. And then now our last step is to color with our markers. So let's just start. So from Pipsqueak, I'm gonna use this nice color called, let me just read it. It's called Sapling Beige. So here it's Sapling Beige. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but still, I'll call it Sapling Beige. So I'm just gonna color this part in. It doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna color it in so I can get a reminder of what I'm gonna color it. I'm just gonna take it and outline it and just color it the same color. So I kind of made my kind of different, but still, I'm just gonna color it like that. So I'm just going to do the same with her hair. Now I'm going to color in her eyes some nice maroon color. It is called Parrot Pink. So I'm going to also use turtle browns to blend in with her pink color, just to make it, so this color is kind of really light. I'm just going to show you. As you can see right here, that's the color. It's too bright and it'll get ruined. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use another color that will make it dull. I'm using honeysuckle. Honeysuckle is a kind of color that will make it look dark. it looks orange. Well, I'm going to use it. So turtle brown is too light. Actually, I think I'm just going to mix her hair color. Sapling beige. So I just colored it and now it looks dark brown. I like the color. So now what we're going to do is we're going to color her dress in some very nice colors. I am going to use this color called Piglet Pink to color the flower part, because this really looks like a flower to me now that I'm thinking of it. So I'm just going to color it in very nicely. So here I have it, and on the top I'm going to make it a little different. I'm going to make it this really nice purple color called Sweet Violet, and I'm going to color her top in Sweet Violet. And then in the middle I'm going to use this color called Pretty. So this is her belt color. It was Pretty Rose, as I said, say Pretty Rose. That what we're going to use is we're going to color in her arms. So I'm going to color it in the same color as her skin. So I'm going to see if Puppy Beige is the right color, because I have so many markers. I'm not sure. So I'm going to see which one this is. So this is a really light color right here. So I think I'm not going to use that color. But you can use it for, if you want, you can use it. So what I'm going to use is, I'm going to use a simple color. It's kind of taking a long time for me to pick my colors, because there's so many colors here. I can't decide. Look at them, guys. There's so many here. Which ones will I pick? Should I use this color? Let's travel and see. It is called Brass Button. So let's just see how it looks like here. I think I'm going to use this color for her skin. So now I'm just going to place it here. I'm going to just color her skin in. It's kind of a yellowish color, but still I like the color. I'm just going to use it. So this part is not going her legs on this part. Simply I'm just going to take my pen. So the legs on this part are actually some tights on her. So I'm going to color them. This color called Brussels Sprout. Okay, so now I'm going to use this color called Sweet Violet, and I'm just going to color in her shoes, but not her circles on her shoes, because I'm going to use another color. I'm going to use a blue color for that one. So I'm just going to color it in. Now I'm going to use a nice blue color. So I'm going to look in my place. There's so many colors to use again. Oh my goodness. They're messy here. I'm going to use this color. I like it. So it's called Raindrop Blue. I'm going to take it and I'm just going to color in her shoes a little bit. So here's how she looks like at the end. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching. So I'm done, and I use my nice markers for this. I don't use this color, but I use lots of different colors. I think I use this color. Okay, so my friend, she also drew a picture, so go and check a picture out.
You can see this video if you search up G and G.
So that's her video, and if you look at my video, it is called How to Draw a Colorful Girl. So thanks for watching.